Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of pelicans, these majestic birds that are true masters of diving. Be sure to check out our collection of clothing, accessories, and decor items inspired by aquatic birds. Visit the link in the video description. Pelicans are aquatic birds easily recognized by their large beaks and the big pouch underneath. There are 8 different species, each with its own unique traits. Let's take a closer look at these marvels of nature. One of the most striking features of pelicans is their broad beak and the pouch underneath. This pouch not only helps them catch fish but also store them. Some pelicans can dive from heights of up to 20 meters to catch their prey. Pelicans have an impressive diving technique. They fly high and then suddenly plunge headfirst into the water, using their keen vision to spot and capture fish. After that, they lift their heads and drain the water from the pouch before swallowing the food. A true natural spectacle. Besides being wonders of nature, pelicans play a crucial role in aquatic ecosystems. They help control fish populations, which contributes to the balance of marine and coastal habitats. Unfortunately, some pelican species are threatened due to habitat loss and pollution. It's important to support conservation efforts to protect these magnificent animals and ensure they continue to thrive in their natural habitats. Be sure to check out our collection of clothing, accessories, and decor items inspired by aquatic birds. Visit the link in the video description. If you enjoyed learning about pelicans, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing wildlife content. See you next time.